welcome to Mark's Remarks. Today I'm going to be cooking and giving a review on the Farmfoods stone-baked double pepperoni pizza. There we are. Picture looks quite good. Double pepperoni. It's going to cook in approximately 11 minutes at 200 Celsius, or what I'm doing is fan at 180, or gas mark 6 for 9 to 11 minutes. There you go. So that's what it is. I think it was around about £1. It was one of the cheap, because I bought a load of cheap pizzas to see what they're like. I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was about £1. Okay, so the oven's heating up. Let's go take this out of the packet. Okay, I've got my chopping board ready. Starting to get into the habit of remembering to use this now. I've had this for ages, but it's only when people write to me and say, you should use a chopping board. I'm starting to use it more often. There we go. So, bit of light shining on it, but there you go. There's a good, it's mainly around this part though, that they all seem to throw it on there, freeze it, and it ends up moving all over the place. So I'm going to have to rearrange, but it, yeah, looks quite good. You know, there's a fair amount. What I've noticed with these farm food pizzas though is the plastic is not always easy to take off. I mean, you can take it off, you know, but it's just it's harder plastic. Okay, I'm going to snap some of this pepperoni off. Probably better off using a knife to chisel this off. But there you go. I'm just going to take a few bits. Okay, and just spread it around. There you go. Okay, so the oven's heating up. Let's see, 9 to 11 minutes. Okay. Okay, here we are, about 11 or 12 minutes later. And there we are, the pizza looks well cooked. All that's left now is to cut it up. This is actually smaller than the other pizzas that I've been reviewing. It's got a nice crisp cut, you know, sound when you cut into it. It's not soft, it's quite, there you go, quite crisp. Which is probably a good sign that it's got a firm base. Now, give it a taste test. Yeah, as you might expect, the bottom is quite firm there, so it doesn't fall down when you pick it up. Now, let's see what it tastes like. The base is firm and crispy. It's quite, it's got a bit of a crunch to it. It's very nice. Very well. I put this in for about 10-11 minutes, and then I left it in there for another 2 while I was doing something, and it's come out pretty perfect. You know, sometimes there's the what's the word I'm looking for? The temptation to leave it in, you know, an extra 5 minutes just to be sure, but you don't need to. Oh. The pepperoni's really nice. There's not so much the taste of cheese, and I'm not getting that much from the cheese flavour, but the base is crunchy. It's firm. Pepperoni's good. All in all, like I said before a moment ago, I don't know how much that is. I think it was around about £1 because the ones I've been picking up, I picked up a bunch that were around about the pound mark, you know, just to see what they're like, the cheap pizzas are like. And all in all, seems to be worth the money. You don't have to spend a fortune to get a good pizza. Yeah. All in all, this is quite good. I could quite easily eat a couple of these pizzas. Very quick to cook, very tasty. There's a good amount of pizza. It says double. I think it says double pepperoni, but I'm thinking it's more 1.5 pepperoni. You know, I don't think there's double what they normally would put on. I think it's just 1.5 times more. But like some of the people have put in comments recently, you can always add your own cheese or pepperoni or ham or whatever else. You can always add to it when it goes in the oven. Yeah, this is actually very good. I think next time I'm in there, I might invest in some more. You know, as you know, some more of these £1 pizzas as a few snacks. You know, because they're well worth the money. Yeah, if you're interested in pizza, type in Mark's Remarks Pizza. I've done a few reviews over the last few days, plus well, you know, way in the past. Mark's Remarks Pizza. I'll bring up all the pizzas I've done. Watch my review and make your own mind up. But yeah, base quality, very nice. It's not soggy and doesn't sag. The pizza slice doesn't sag. I haven't gone for the. Normally, I'll go for the crusts, but I haven't on these because they're a little bit thick, a little bit too crunchy for my liking. But other than that, nothing wrong with them. So there you have it. Farmfoods stone baked double pepperoni pizza. Cook it in about 10-12 minutes, and well worth the money. You know, like I say, you know, the cheese that you can if you want some cheesy flavour to it, just add your own, because it's definitely lacking in the cheese department. But the pepperoni, a good amount, good quality, good taste. You know. All right. Hope that was useful. Please hit the thumbs up if you've made it this far. I think it helps the algorithms, you know, that kind of, that's what they say. And yeah, thank you for watching.